Trieste, a city at a crossroads. Italy meets Austria, the Mediterranean blends with the Balkans. This unique mix is what makes Trieste so intriguing, so captivating. You hear it in the languages spoken, you see it in the architecture, you feel it in the atmosphere. Hello everyone, and welcome to Italy Uncovered. In this episode, we will take you to the discovery of Trieste, a unique city that combines Italian charm with Central European influences. With its splendid view of the Adriatic Sea, its rich cultural history, and its elegant historic cafés, Trieste is a destination that will win you over. Watch until the end to discover an exclusive location in Tuscany, perfect as a base to explore other wonders of Italy. And don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our next trips. And leave a comment. What is the place in Italy that you can't wait to visit? Thank you so much for your support. Let's start this adventure right away. Enjoy! I arrived on a sunny afternoon, the air thick with expectation. The city unfolded before me, a tapestry of bright colors and contrasting styles. I knew right away that Trieste was a place I had to explore, savor, understand. Trieste's strategic location has made it a melting pot of cultures for centuries. Located in the northeastern tip of Italy, it has been a gateway to the Balkans and a bridge to Central Europe. The Adriatic Sea, with its sparkling blue waters, adds to the city's charm. The port, bustling with boats and ships, is a testament to Trieste's long maritime tradition. When I left Trieste, I felt a deep connection with this city where cultures meet. It is a place that stays with you long after you have left its shores, a city that invites you to return, to discover its other hidden treasures and to relive its unique charm. My first stop, as for many, was Piazza Unità d'Italia. This magnificent square, the largest square on the sea in Europe, is a testament to the grandeur and elegance of Trieste. Entering the square, I was immediately enveloped by its vastness and the gentle hum of life that filled the air. The square is not just a physical space, it is a living, breathing entity that has witnessed centuries of history unfold. The buildings that surround the square, imposing and grandiose structures, tell the story of Trieste's past. Each building is an architectural masterpiece, reflecting the different influences and rich history of the city. A short distance from the city centre is Miramare Castle. This magnificent structure, with its rich history and stunning architecture, is a hidden gem just waiting to be discovered. Perched on a rocky cliff overlooking the shimmering Adriatic, the castle looks like something out of a fairy tale. The view from here is nothing short of breathtaking, with the endless expanse of the sea meeting the horizon in a perfect fusion of blue. The sound of the waves crashing against the rocks below adds to the enchanting atmosphere, making it feel like a scene from a storybook. Built in the 19th century for Maximilian I of Mexico, the castle is a testament to love and ambition. Maximilian, Archduke of Austria, envisioned this castle as a serene retreat away from the political turmoil of his time. The castle's design reflects his romantic ideals and his desire to create a sanctuary of peace and beauty. Every stone, every arch, and every tower tells the story of a man who dared to dream big. Back in the city, I was drawn to the Grand Canal. Lined with colourful buildings and animated by a continuous coming and going, the canal is reminiscent of Trieste's Venetian heritage. Here the air is saturated with the sounds of trade and conversations. The boats sway gently on the water, their reflections dancing on the surface of the canal. I stopped at a small cafe overlooking the water, ordered a cappuccino, and just watched the world go by. It was a moment of pure contentment, a chance to absorb the rhythm of Trieste. Speaking of coffee, Trieste is famous for it. The city boasts a long and rich coffee tradition, and the aroma of freshly brewed espresso permeates the air. From traditional cafes to modern coffee shops, Trieste offers a coffee experience for all tastes. I made it my mission to try as many varieties as possible. Trieste's history dates back centuries, and nowhere is this more evident than at the Roman theatre. Dating back to the 1st century AD, the theatre is a testament to the city's Roman past. Standing among the ancient ruins, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe. I imagined the gladiators fighting in the arena, the crowd roaring their approval. The Roman theatre is a powerful symbol of Trieste's enduring legacy, a reminder that the past never truly fades. The streets of Trieste's historic centre are a labyrinth of narrow alleys and hidden courtyards. Every corner reveals a new surprise, a glimpse into the city's rich past. I wandered aimlessly, immersing myself in the atmosphere, admiring the architecture. The historic center is a melting pot of styles, a reflection of Trieste's diverse cultural heritage. I came across hidden squares, charming cafés, and ancient churches. The historic center was a feast for the senses, a place where history came to life. Trieste's locations at the crossroads of cultures is reflected in its cuisine. Italian, Austrian and Balkan influences blend harmoniously, creating a unique and delicious culinary landscape. From fresh seafood to hearty stews, Trieste offers something for every palate. I sampled as many local specialties as possible, each bite a revelation. One evening, I had dinner at a small trattoria tucked away in a quiet corner of the city. The food was simple but delicious, the atmosphere warm and inviting. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the beautiful city of Trieste. I hope you've enjoyed discovering its unique blend of cultures, breathtaking coastal views, and fascinating history. If you loved this episode, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Italy Uncovered, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another adventure. And I'd love to hear from you. Which part of Trieste inspired you the most? Leave a comment below and let me know. Remember to check the description for an exclusive recommendation in Tuscany, the perfect base to explore more of Italy's stunning destinations, like Florence, Siena, Pisa, and the rolling hills of Val d'Orcia. Grazie mille for your support, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, ciao.